Can't wait for summer? Fun Tan, where great tanning packages and gift certificates are always available.
For your best tan ever, get a Fun Tan.
From the early morning to the midday, and into the evening. All day long, South Bend Chocolate Cafe. Visit one of our downtown locations.
The fastest 4-mile road race is heading to Peoria. Whatever you do, don't miss the boat.
Yeah!
Entry forms can be picked up at Bryan Central, area health clubs, and at the studios of WEK-TV, or on I-25 at WEK.com. Whether you run, walk, or just want to check it out, don't miss the boat on Saturday, June 14th. This Steamboat Update brought to you in part by your local Ford dealers.
Visions, an eye care boutique specializing in designer eyewear and one-of-a-kind personalized service. Let Visions put you in the perfect frames or help you choose the right contact lens for comfort and style. Optometrist Kirsten Reinhardt will care for the health of your eyes. And board-certified ophthalmologist Dr. Susan Park provides specialized medical care like on-site LASIK. Visions, seeing life in style. The personalized service you deserve. Visions, we will make your eyes sparkle.
Are you jonesing for it?
I'm jonesing for it.
Start up your evening with the excitement of short track racing at M40 Speedway. From up in the stands to down in the pits, there's nowhere else you can get this close to the action. Bring the whole family, pack a cooler, because if you don't, you'll be jonesing for our great concessions. Remember, the race starts at 7, you'll be home at 11. New owners, new attitude. M40 Speedway, located 14 miles north of the Indiana State Line and M40 Highway. Are you jonesing for it?
Dear God, it's me again. I was bad. I didn't pick up my room, and it made Daddy mad. I don't want to be bad. It makes Mommy sad. I tell my little sister to be quiet. Daddy doesn't like it when she cries. Dear God, help me to be good again. Daddy won't be mad. I won't have to hurt again.
To report child abuse or for more information on preventing child abuse, call your local Child Protective Service or your local law enforcement agency.
What in the world are you fishing with? It's a JH Litlure. Runs on a watch battery. Lighted, huh? Good luck. We'll see. We'll see. Hey, how'd you do with that Litlure? I'm gonna get me a bunch of those. You got another one? You're right. These JH Litlure sure are hot.
Ask for JH Litlure everywhere. Found at these fine fish and tackle stores.
Now, for a very limited time, get great deals on all tanning and products at Fun Tan.
What if a hospital made your time there a special experience? There are a few hospitals nationwide operating under a new approach. It's for hospitals who want to go the extra mile and a few miles more. One of these, Lakeland Community Hospital in Niles, uses the Plane Tree approach. It's about giving patients and their families choices, comfort, and information. Our doctors start by helping you and your family make informed decisions. Then, each day, the patient receives a written list of care. The nurse explains what will happen, why, and when. The patient's family can go to our library to get more information. Our librarians can help. You can borrow our books, too. And Lakeland's libraries are linked to reputable websites to make your search easier. Healthcare can be stressful. That's why we provide soothing spaces for patients and families that are cheerful, home-like, and promote privacy. Water features provide a soothing backdrop for the healing process. Our volunteers come by regularly to bake cookies for our patients and their families. Lakeland Niles has special rooms for the family to gather, relax, and eat together. In our hospital, there are no visitors' hours. Friends and family can stay as long as they like because we've found that it's good for patients. We've made nursing stations inviting so families will come with their questions. Our patients choose their own meals from a doctor-approved menu of appealing choices. They tell us what time they want the meals delivered. Patients can choose a daily newspaper to read. We celebrate birthdays and special occasions with our patients. We think these things make your stay with us a little better. We're reinventing healthcare to make it easier and better for patients. We're Lakeland Community Hospital in Niles. Medical excellence, compassionate care, Lakeland Healthcare.